So the next thing we are going to do is to purchase and install the Divi theme. For this, go to elegantthemes.com. Here you can see a pricing button. Click on it. It will take you to their pricing tables. Here you have two options, a lifetime access and a yearly access. But this is not a one-time fee. Here you can see lifetime access. You can buy it for lifetime. It's a one-time fee and also it gives you a money back guarantee. So click sign up today and here you have to create your account, your name, email, password and card number, etc. But I have already downloaded this theme. So I simply go to my website and then dashboard. Now I will click on appearance and themes. Now to install Divi theme, I will click on add new. Now go to upload theme and choose file. Now I will choose Divi theme file from my computer. I choose it and then click on install now. Now the theme was installing. Wait until it installed successfully. Now you can see the theme was successfully installed. Now click on activate to activate the Divi theme. Now here you can see you have successfully installed and activated the Divi theme. Now you can use the Divi and Divi theme builder to create new pages and posts in your WordPress website. Now first of all I will take a live preview how my website looks after installing the Divi. So I will click on visit site. Now here you can see it looks like that. Here is the menus that looks different. Here Divi added a sidebar, the default logo of Divi, and at the end you can see a footer that was default created by the Divi theme. Don't worry, we will change them later, but now it's a default look by Divi theme. We haven't added anything yet on our website like post and also we don't have any comment yet. So it looks like that the default one. So in the next section, I will show you how to start designing with Divi theme.